So hello everyone. In our previous lecture, we will complete our fundamental forces in nature. So in our today's lecture, we will do some conservation laws. So in classical physics, we often deal with the following conservation laws. First is law of conservation of energy. Second is law of conservation of linear momentum. Law of conservation of charge, and last one is law of conservation of angular momentum. So first of all, we have to study law of conservation of energy. So what is the law of conservation of energy? The sum of total energy of all kind in this universe remain constant. Energy can neither be transformed one form to another or transport from one place to another, but the total amount of energy never change. So now we have another law of conservation of linear momentum. In the absence of an external force, the linear momentum of a system remain unchanged. So next is law of conservation of charges. It means that we all know that charge can neither be created nor be destroyed, but are simply transferred from one body to another body. Law of conservation of angular momentum. If the total external torque on the system is 0, angular momentum of the system remain constant. So thanks for watching.